चलो गाइस ऑफिस खत्म
whether I accept
UPSC
the
चालू।
recommendations, whether I don't accept the recommendation, I don't care. You have 14 days. After 14 days, it is deemed to have been passed. In other words, it is understood that the Rajya Sabha has passed the bill. हम इसको यही assume करके बैठ जाते हैं that the bill has been passed. In fact, presidential veto भी नहीं होता इसके बाद. There is no veto powers on this part. In other words, the Lok Sabha becomes very very powerful with regard to money bill. और उसका एक लॉजिक है. लॉजिक है money belongs to the people of India. मैंने क्या बोला? Money belongs to, ऐसे पढ़ते हैं my friends. ये words होते हैं, keywords. These are thumb rules. Hitting, hard hitting. एग्जामिनर हिल जाता है भैया ये क्या बोल दिया इसने? Money belongs to the people of India and therefore the directly elected representatives of the people should be the ones who should control money. मैंने क्या बोला? Money belongs to the people of India. इसलिए सिर्फ directly elected representatives को हक होना चाहिए मनी को टच करने को लिए. So consolidated fund of India, चाहे consolidated fund of states हो, चाहे consolidated fund of India हो, जो कि net amount of money of the states है या net amount of money of the union है, this should be under the control of the directly elected representatives. लोक सभा या फिर विधान सभा. Why? With regards to money bills. Lok Sabha wins. Rajya Sabha is second. Very very second. Okay. So what is the summary? Westminster structure है. हमारे पास दो हाउसेस है, लोक सभा और राज्य सभा. हर एक के अपने अपने रोल है. राज्य सभा is the spirit of federalism. लोक सभा primarily controls money and houses the government. फेडरलिज्म में हमको राज्य सभा को रिस्पेक्ट करना बड़ा जरूरी है. Democracy, however, has to be maintained at all time. Executive is responsible to the legislature. हमें ensure करना चाहिए and democracy में हमें checks and balances करना चाहिए. इसलिए हमको लोकसभा को dissolve करते रहना चाहिए. Directly elected house will have more power, will be more powerful. Why will it be more powerful? Especially with regards to money bill, because money belongs to the people of India. Are you understanding? Look at the speed, the point here. Everything gets covered. ऐसे पढ़ते हैं my friends quality. तो तुम्हें कोई पिक्चर क्लियर ना हो, तुम्हारे 4 walls क्रिएट हो जाते हैं, घर बन जाता है. अब उसके अंदर सोफा लगाओ, LED TV लगाओ, होम थिएटर लगाओ, वो सब एक्स्ट्रा होता है. But the point here is the knowledge castle should be made. 4 दीवारें ऐसे fill up करके फिर तुम्हारा बड़ा solid preparation हो जाता है. तो first हम देखेंगे पार्लियामेंट का वर्किंग, फंक्शनिंग ऑफ द पार्लियामेंट में हम देखेंगे sessions of the parliament. See, the parliament is functioning, okay, when it is located or functioning at New Delhi, right? Then we say it is in session. And when the parliament is vacationing, छुट्टी पे नहीं काम कर रहा, then it is called as recess, right? आमतौर पे in India में usually there are 3 sessions.